Yes, this is Scott Spurlock doing another review for fishhound.com. What fishhound.com is, it's a product testing website. You choose lures that you want to test, any lure that you see on there, or fishing poles, rods and reels, lines, terminal tackle as well. But you choose what you want to pick. They don't choose it for you. And after you receive the item in the mail, it usually takes 2, maybe 3 days at the most for it to get to you in the mail. You go to the lake or pond or wherever you fish, you test it out, you write a small review, answer a few questions. The review that you write is probably 140 characters. It takes about 2 minutes, so it's not too long. After you write the review, you keep the item for free. They've got a ton of different lures on there, a ton of different poles, a lot of terminal tackle as well, fishing miscellaneous and also non-fishing miscellaneous, as well as apparel is on fishhound.com. But it is a great deal. I've gotten some good deals, some like, let's say, $12 lures, some $24 lures. Shipping on lures is usually in between $2 and $3. Usually it's right smack in the middle at $2.50 a lure. So it is very reasonable. Even on the $24 lure, I did get it for $2.50. But the lure that I'm going to do the review on today is the Rapala DT16 Mardi Gras color. Here's the packaging that it comes in. I'm pretty sure 99% of people that fish are familiar with Rapala. So you do know they are quality, especially on their crankbaits. Here, let's zoom on in. What this is a deep diver, dives 16 feet, hence the series name DT16, which stands for dives to 16 feet. But this Mardi Gras, this is from the Ike's Custom Ink series. And I don't know if you can really see it in the video. Yeah, you can a little bit. It's got like a pearl finish, but it's got the crayfish or crawdad design to it. Now, I do like Rapala crankbaits. As I said, they are very quality. Now, these ones, they got a little bit of shake to them, but not as good as a rattle as other things. But you know, Rapala's, they're about $7-8 for crankbait lures, which is a little more expensive than some, but cheaper than others. You know, there are more expensive companies out there, and there are cheaper companies. But you know, they're medium-priced crankbait lures, but they are good quality. You know, my first crankbait was actually a Rapala crankbait, so I've been fishing these things since I've started fishing. And, you know, like I said, it is, if you do like deep diving crankbaits, as you can see, it's got the big bill on there. Rapala always makes the good hooks on there. Only things you might have to do is maybe sharpen the bill a little bit to get it to dive better. That's just a technique that I do. It's not mandatory, but I've always believed that it's better to kind of sharpen the bill with like a file to where it cuts through the water better. Again, that's just my preference. You don't have to. If you don't want to sharpen a bill, you can fish this thing right out the package because the hooks on there, as I said, are the Rapala quality hooks. Again, this is the Rapala DT16 Mardi Gras color from Ike's Custom Ink series. And again, my name is Scott Spurlock with fishhound.com. If you're not a member of Fishhound, I would suggest trying it. I believe the annual fee is like $40 a year. You automatically get $125 worth of gear credit. If you just want to try out a monthly, I do believe it's $10 a month now for membership, and they'll throw you $25 worth of gear credit each month. If you do want to join Fishhound, you can use me as a reference. My username is STL Cowboy. That's S as in Sam, T as in Tom, L as in Lewis, and then Cowboy, like the Dallas Cowboys. But again, another review for fishhound.com. Thank you.